Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. This week I'm being inspired by the Northern Lights, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. I just want to jump right into the makeup look, and I don't have a white base to put on my lid to achieve the brightness that I want, so I have to use a white eyeliner, and I'm using the one from Catrice, the waterproof eyeliner. It's a pencil eyeliner, so it looks like this. And what I want to do is with Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis, it's that it has different shades of color for it. So sometimes the Northern Lights come across as red or green. It kind of depends on the elements that are in the air at the moment and how they manifest and what color they manifest in. But I want to do the green because it's the most common one. But even within green, there are different shades of green, different brightness, and I do have the green that is, I feel it's close to the color that I have. I have an image that I'm looking at to get the color close to it. To achieve that, I have to use the white eyeliner. So I will be drawing the shape of the Northern Lights on my eyelid, and I think I want to just have it on the upper lid, so I want to drag it, twirl it, and then drag it out. So we will see how that turns out. Now that that is done, I want to go ahead and put on the actual green color that I want to use for the Northern Lights. And then after that, I will put on the color that will put here. The shadow that I want to be using does not have a name. The makeup palette doesn't have a name. And so I'm just going to show you. And I want to go in with this really bright green right here. And I want to be using a flat brush like this one. If I need to, I will go in with my finger, but I will start with this, and I want to follow the shape and fill in the white. The white shall now be filled in with the green color. The next color I want to be using is to fill in right underneath, and I want to keep it just on the upper part. I don't want to bring it down. So then I will be using the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I am going ahead and I am using this green right here. And I'm using the same flat brush just because I want to get as close and as sharp line for this. If you've ever seen Northern Lights in real life, and you'll see that the Northern Lights, the very bright green, makes the sky next to it look greenish, like a very, it's obviously the sky is blue, dark blue, but then it gives that green shine even for this part, which is why I'm using green and not blue. But what I want to go ahead and do now is to make the same green up above the Northern Lights, to make it pop even more. And I will fill in the area where in the front, if I have eyelid space, I will fill that in. If not, I will just keep a line. Now what I want to do is curl my lashes. And then I will take my Maybelline the Colossal mascara, and I will put that on my upper lashes only. Then I want to take NYX Strobe of Genius, and I want to take take this purple right here and a really small brush like this one, and I want to put this in the inner corner of my eye. And then I want to finish it off by putting on some setting spray, and I am using the Makeup Revolution Sport Effects that looks like this. And so this is the finished look. This is what a Northern Lights makeup look looks like. Now obviously you don't have to do it in the same order as I did. You can do the dark green eyeshadow first. I just found that this is easier in case I make a mistake, because like you saw, I used a Q-tip to correct the white eyeliner. If I already had put the green eyeshadow, I would be then removing the green eyeshadow, and that would just mean more work. So I do suggest you do it in this order, but you don't have to. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!